a very short video here. It is April 22nd, 2022. I just got this back from the framer. It's almost 30 years since I did this drawing, Under the Wings 10, which I drew, if my memory has it, in the summer of 1992. It was exhibited that autumn at the first exhibit of Under the Wings series artworks held at the Hillel Jewish Student Center near the University of Washington campus in Seattle. I had it, probably had it acetate covered at the time. Anyway, it's quite large. 3 Jewish prisoners jumping from burning buildings during the time of the Warsaw ghetto uprising, like April 1943. The uprising began in April 1943. There's a good video up of which I'm seen with Jewish English children at the Sunday school program at the Nottingham Liberal Synagogue in England, and which I ask questions and pupils respond to my questions with their interpretations about the 3 prisoners I depicted, which you notice 2 which have wings that are like not Johnson bird's wings, but just in the shape of flying wings. I drew with that, like dots, ink dots. Whereas this one here, the shape of the wings is determined by my drawing of the balconies and windows behind this woman. As there is actually nothing drawn in the wings, yet we see the shape of wings. All right, there you have it for now. Thank you for listening. Oh, good. Flight should interest you. Everybody over there doing their flies every day in their 2 hotels there. All right, there you have it. Under the Wings 10, now framed, exhibition ready for museums and art museums, history museums, and other venues. For tolerance, human rights, and Holocaust education with children, adolescents, teens, and adults of all ages. All right, thank you for watching.